Oh damn! Good evening, everyone. I'm sorry for the fucking bad microphone that I have here. I don't know what settings have changed. I've tried to make the microphone sound a little bit better because it sounded better before, and now it sounds like ass, which I don't fucking like that. Yeah. Welcome to the stream. I'm waiting till till more people will join eventually. And yeah, still kind of waiting. So I started the stream like 9 minutes ago, and the first message that I get is just a fucking spam message promoting some website, and KickCX instantly fucking banned him. Like, not even a fucking minute. And the bot banned that guy, that bot. Yeah. So the jam actually starts in like 58 minutes. I don't actually know what should we do. Like, we're gonna talk a little bit. If the music is too loud, just tell me. I will fix that. It's already quite for me done right here. So until people join, we're gonna talk a little bit. So the initiative was initially I wanted to participate in another game jam called mini jam, which you have a theme. You have a theme already, but when the jam starts, the limitation will be revealed. So I was thinking, like, bro, let's participate here. But I forgot that right around this time when mini jam was taking place, GMTK Game Jam also was taking place. And I thought the jam was going to be tomorrow. And actually it is today at 8 p.m. Like in 56 minutes. Yeah, like... It is 58 minutes. Like, we're gonna just talk about it a little bit. I was checking I was reading through these rules. Oh damn! I actually also got fever today. Oh well, right now it's... Hello, welcome to the stream. I actually got today fever, 37 and 8, and I was like, fuck. Right, the fucking right time right now to get fever, but I was like, fuck no, I'm going to stream anyways, even with fever. Right now I'm not having fever, like, I'm feeling well right now. It's like my head's not that heavy how it was. Yeah, it's preferably to use to talk only in English. So so get more reach. Like, I can speak in Romanian, Russian, and English. I have no problem about no issues, but it's preferably to speak here in English. I'll get more reach. So yeah. For those who don't know, what the fuck am I doing right now? Well, right now I'm waiting for the jam to start. What is a jam? It is a competition where you have in, for example, 96 hours you have to make a game on a certain given theme. The theme wasn't revealed yet, to be revealed in about 53 minutes. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna play nothing today. Right now I'm till 8 p.m. I'm just going to yeah, till 8 p.m. I'm just gonna talk with you guys, explain some stuff, doing some preparations, stuff like that, and then when the theme is going to be revealed, we'll have to think of a game idea so I can make it. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be quite fun because we'll do like me with my teammate. We'll do a lot of brainstorm. So yeah. You must not use generative AI to make art or audio assets for your game or itch.io page. This will lead to your game being disqualified. You may use pre-existing code and can use whatever art and audio assets you have the legal right to use, but you shouldn't make stuff ahead of time. That is especially for this jam. You should credit all external art and audio in your game description. Okay, see you later. Got some to do. Alright. Thanks for passing by. Don't forget to a follow also. This will boost my confidence. Anyways, I need Unity right now. So, Unity Hub 3.13 actually changed its UI design, which is quite strange. Close all this piece of shit that I have here. So yeah, that's the fucking new UI. When I saw it, I was like, what the actual fuck? Yeah, and I think I'm going to let me check how much space I have on my. Oh no. This just sucks. I wanted to like install the newest version of the of Unity, like Unity 6.1, but changed my mind. I'll better use this LTS version. I also have to install it on my laptop, so tomorrow I'll be able to work while I'll not be at home. Because tomorrow I'll have the admission exams. Let me just check that shit here. So I'll have to like install this version of Unity right here on my laptop because yeah. Thanks for the follow. Hey, the actual alerts are working fine. I was thinking like they also the bro, I don't understand English. Can you please talk in American? Oi, mate. It's how you don't understand. Well, bruh, I don't have this strong accent that you don't understand. This I still do have an accent, but you can like understand me either way. But welcome to the stream. I just found where the follow button is. Oh god, it happens. I can actually. Oh, thanks for the follow, Crisis. Welcome to the stream and thanks for the follow. There's a follow button. Yeah, there is. So one thing that I like on itch.io on Kick that I fucking like is that I only need like 5 hours of stream time to be able to unlock subs, and I have channel points out of the box, which is fucking insane. Okay, let me check. So I guess you understood the content here. What are we going to do right now? Well, in about 48 minutes. Be with a friend though. You will do the art for me. Well, like we're making the team here. Why don't you want to boot up here on my laptop? It's going to be fun, guys. Especially when you like have a quite a lot of progress and you're like trying to yeah, and like you're trying to fucking understand why it's not working, and this takes up a fuck ton of time. This happened with the last jam that I participated, and I couldn't submit just because of a simple bug. Yeah, it happens. Shit happens every fucking time. Oh shit. Oh, that's interesting. My laptop takes quite a fucking while to restart. Don't know why. So, anyways, how you've been? How you've been doing these days? For those who don't know me, I've been streaming on other platforms, for example, Twitch, YouTube sometimes, but quite rare. Yeah. Don't tell me that I fucked my kernel. Oh, looks like I didn't. Hopefully. I'm going to put up a new project. I really don't quite like the look here. Like, I still have to get used to. So yeah, I guess we'll make a 2D game. Where do I put the name of the project? Bro, what the fuck? Where'd I put the name? Oh, project name. There is a button right for blind people like me. I didn't see it. Sucks. Just want to make sure that some stuff are working here with no problem. Hopefully OBS will hold the load here. Because yeah, like what's the point of having a... Bro, what the fuck? Yeah, Unity doesn't want to start on my laptop. Like Unity Hub doesn't want to, and I don't understand why. This shit sucks as fuck. Oh damn, I fucking like when it takes so much time to load the project. Well, it's only when I'm starting the project or like starting a new project or getting the project from cloud or after like cleaning the cache. But in rest, everything starts fast. Haven't touched Unity for a while. Oh damn, why does it check for a beta? How to update feature from zep/rpm distributions when my fucking distribution is Arch. I'm using Arch. And it tells me GTK2 of 3 symbols detected using GTK2 of 3 and GTK4 in the same process is not supported. Fuck you then. And it stays like that, doing actually fucking nothing. Even if I like, hold on. What the fuck is going on? Oh. Even if I like reinstall the application, That's how I fucking like it, not working on my laptop. Because it will be fine if it will be working on my laptop, so I'll be able to like work when I'm not home. Because tomorrow I'll not be at home the entire day, only in the evening. And that shit sucks. That shit sucks ass. Hold on, I have to check. Do I have like to enable the 18 plus thing? My streams if I'm like cursing or stuff like that? I haven't checked with the TOS yet. On 37 more minutes. 30 fucking more 7. 30 fucking 7 more minutes. Yeah. It's actually loading. Almost starting up. See that I don't have like a delay here. Like this shit goes fucking smooth. I refresh the page. Now it shows better. Yeah, it actually now shows stuff how they should be shown. Okay. 800 by 800. No, only 16 by 9. Yeah, I see that the delay here is not that much. It's not that big. Okay, global scene 2D. Might. And I'll have to check the builds here. So GMTK allows me to you can support controllers and other peripherals as long as keyboard or mouse also works. So I can add control support. What if I'll do the game like only not only but controller that supports controllers, and it will be way easier, like controller recommended. You can upload builds for Mac, Linux, Android, etc. as long as you also have a Windows or browser version. You should not require the user to download additional software for external sources. If your game requires additional files like DLLs, they should be included in the download and not require separate installations. The each upload limit is 1 GB. You can compress your game as a zip, RAW, or 7-zip, or zip is preferred. You can also upload larger files via Butler if you really need to. You can have online feature like multiplayer servers and leaderboards, but files hosted outside of itch.io must not be modified or updated during the voting period, with the only exception being to ensure the string complies with itch.io rules. For example, removing a rule-breaking leaderboard name. Nice. What do you have here? There was a thing about voting. Yeah, when the jam finishes, everyone is invited to play the games and rate them against 5 criteria: creativity, environment, narrative, artwork, and audio. After the jam finishes, Mark will play a selection of the top-rated games and pick his favorite for a video on Game Maker's Toolkit. When the jam ends, there is a 5-day waiting period where uploads to the jam will be locked, meaning you can no longer provide bug fixes, additional versions, or extra levels. Please do not put links to other builds such as Game Jam upload has a bug. Please play this one in your description or comments. This will see you being disqualified from the jam. If you delete your game during this period, you will not be able to. We will not be able to help you, and you will be disqualified for the jam. You can change your game's page during this time, including the thumbnail, description, text, screenshots, and page design. You'll want to do this as fast as possible, though the majority of the ratings happen at the very start of the rating period. Once the rating period is over, you're free to update your game however you please. Charge for it, release it on other platforms. The game is yours. Do what you wish with it. I did participate in a game jam. I'm not wrong. Yeah, Starshop. And a lot of people were telling me like, make the game so, there is a web build support for that, like WebGL in that case. I will try, but like, I understand that it's way convenient for a web build, but there might be some compatibility issues for the for some stuff here. Let me just check my settings with the resolution. Yeah, like I have to put the a fixed resolution for the web build. I guess. We'll have to like figure it out what resolution to make the game, and yeah. Yeah. So I'll have to figure it out with my partner about the resolution to use during this game jam. And do you know who my partner is going to be? She's like fucking good at art. Like, can't fucking doubt that. What the fuck? I can't find her Instagram. Where the hell is... Goddamn. Where Where the hell is... Okay. Serenity. So I'm going to work with Serenity. She's fucking nice. She's fucking good at art and animations and stuff like that, so I'm going to work with her. I have to tell her to change the username on itch.io if she did a rebranding, because she went as Clover in the previous jam, and now she should change, yeah, like to change her nickname here on Instagram. Let me check mini jam. Mini jam page. I need to check it out. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I have it here. Forgot about that. Yeah, like she has to change her nickname. Yeah. And we are waiting. We have to wait around fucking 27 minutes. 10 minutes, that fucking hard pass? Damn. I am goddamn shocked. Shit. Anyways, oh, I will try to do a web build for this shit. But as I said, I have to like set a fixed resolution. But we will see. This is just a test project. I'm not going to use this project for the jam, for the actual jam. And we are waiting. Well, say something. You also say something like I don't know, just to keep up the talk. So we won't kill this chat yet. Splash image. I'm thinking to add branding. Oh shit. I need to have the logo for our team and the logo for GMTK. I really need like to. I'm gonna log in with my Google account. GTA 5 remake when? Well, shit, I don't know. Someday. I still have like I just need to learn more shit. So I have to like delete this up here. Oh god damn. Okay. GTA 5 remake when? I don't know. Logos. Okay, so I can put like more logos here. Let me check it on my Telegram. I can like open it up fast. Oop. Okay. Da, 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 da. Oh no, I just need the cup tea logo. Yep, this one. Save as. It actually fucking just downloaded every goddamn thing on my PC. Why? I was scrolling through the files on Telegram through photos, and this motherfucker downloaded every photo that I previewed. I don't know, Game Jam seems like a good practice if you actually finish something, but do you have any project that you are doing just for fun other than Wave? Unfortunately, no, I don't have any project. I don't have any project, actually. I do have some ideas for another project, but this is going to take like a fuck ton of time to make and fuck ton of knowledge. Yeah. Any preludes? Oh wow, how I like Unity separating all the fucking elements in different sprites. Oh god damn. Yeah, that's the ugly reality. I don't have any other project. It actually looks fun. It looks good. Can I dark on light? Oh no. Oh no. I need. What if I do it like fully dark? Oh, the logos are quite visible. That's good. That's alright. Come on, why does it take so much? Why does the time passes so fucking slow? Like 21 minutes. Twenty more minutes. Let's see what does the chat says here. Chat summary, auto-generated experiment. Quality may vary. Viewers in chat are excited and speculating about the theme for the game jam. Hey, where? Give me my fucking... Okay. I ain't gonna... Find your jam, that theme. Wow, it looks like GMTK Game Jam 2024 was just last year. Hey, read. Yeah, for real, let me fucking read. I saw that YouTube added like a thing, top fans, like you have to type some messages and you'll get experience for that. And like you get highlighted in chat. What if I refresh the page? Will it show me again the summary? I don't think so. Oh, it does. Potential themes. Some viewers express excitement and nervousness as they anticipate the theme reveal and the start of the jam, while others are offering "fuck you." Speculating about the theme, suggesting ideas, and offering encouragement for the first-time participants. I am a first-time participant here. 20 minutes and 40 seconds. Someone is fucking spamming the seconds over and over again. Oh, I can just switch through chats and it will show me the... Why can it be like pinned and not like disappear out of thin air, like you have a X button here to press it and then it will disappear? Maybe I would just want to know what they will talk about. Pass chat message. Add Oscar to your game. 18 minutes. 18 goddamn minutes. I'm planning on making a Balatro game where you spell letters. Well, depends on the theme, actually. Because most of the mechanics come out from the theme. The fuck gave his theme? We'll see. The theme is zombies, and someone is fucking spamming the shit out of this. This will be my first game jam that I will actually commit to. Second game jam, looking forward to once again completely changing my idea 2 days into the jam and starting over, only to have a broken build right before the deadline. But I'm actually super excited. It was chaos, but so far I learned a lot last year. Can't wait to do it all again. I wanted to actually do the jam in C++ because of the last year. But change my mind. I will stick up with Unity since I don't have enough knowledge in C++ yet. And yeah, 7 minutes, 37 seconds, 16 minutes. It shows the time. Okay, they are discussing potential themes, sharing tips, and forming teams for the event. Only Unreal Engine 5 is allowed. Oh hell no, bro. My laptop doesn't fucking handle Unreal Engine 5. Are you, like, joking or something? My laptop isn't even, can't even fucking start Unity Hub here. I don't know why, I don't understand why, but it doesn't want to start. Hold on. Which account? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what the fuck is going on here. Why doesn't it want to work? Like, the fuck? Why can't I? Oh, this looks interesting. It's so funny when it doesn't want to work. Like, I'm trying to screen share my screen from my laptop here on Discord with an alt account, and it doesn't want to work. It's going to be a long fucking 4 days. I got the best fucking timing to get sick, so I can't fucking smoke. Cause yeah, I'm a smoker. This name is such grass. Someone else typed. I'm too interested. Beam Buddy. Who up gaming the jam? What? Almost 3 AM here in Australia, but I'm so ready. Damn. Do you understand that Mark here, the owner of GMTK, is British, and the British time starts at 6 PM. That doubles up as a different game. Different game. Why can't these 13 minutes be faster? Theme is going to be the Ural Altaic language family. What the fuck is that? EP 15 minutes finally. 12 minutes. Actually, bro has the time not set up correctly. Come on. I'm to be present here. Types of headache: migraine, hypertension, stress, and computer science. Damn. Yes, a Counter-Strike, not computer science. Oh, damn stupid. 11 more minutes. Like 5 more minutes when the stream starts, I will promote my channel on the Geek Officials Discord server. Yeah, that shit exists actually. Developer processing, I'm using Do. What will be everyone's nightmare theme? I'm thinking the Do theme. Pure lower and love 2D. Because I hate myself. Yeah, Linux, from scratch doing it in C++, it would be way fucking funnier, I assure you. My first GMTK Game Jam, same shit, 10 minutes, I'm so hype. Who using Do and first jam? They're spamming silly faces, let me spam silly faces too. Guys, type in chat please here, silly faces, those silly faces. For some unknown reason, I quite like the silly face, like, so silly. Look at them, bro. 9 more minutes a day spamming silly faces. Yo, 50 experience. That shit's wild. And what? You can like get only 500 XP? That's the top here? Does the broadcaster has access to... Let me type the silly face too. Hold on, I have to show. I have to show to. What now? The fucking chat is spamming silly faces here. Like, look at this, bro. Silly faces. A lot. 8 more minutes. Silly face. Yeah, I think I'm going to restart my laptop again. No, I lose a fuck ton of time just because of the. Oh, I'm trying to send a message when I don't have the internet started on my phone. I'm so fucking stupid sometimes. I love Geometry Dash. Silly face. Get those guys are fucking playing. I'll be right back in a second. Okay, 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes, and we are going to. Yo, Zernity, welcome. Welcome. Jacob, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the stream. 2 fucking more minutes. That's awesome. That's exciting. Yeah, you'll have time for that. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. $6 Damn. Sixty more seconds. Music even quieter. Premiere will start shortly. Minute. Come on. Guarantee also the call on Discord. Starting. Okay, I'm pause the music on the background. Oh, why am I typing in chat, bro? So stupid. Come on. Type. Oh, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I have no idea. What's the date for water? I have to check it. Yo,
Welcome to GMTK Game Jam 2025.
do you hear me?
This is a crazy fast game making marathon
Yes.
where you
Wait,
have just
Yes.
4
let me,
days to make a game that fits
I
the theme.
muted your
And
stream.
This year's theme is just one word: loop.
Loop. That's today's
How
theme.
you interpret this theme is entirely
Oh.
up to you. Perhaps
Oh,
it's about
this
doing
is
the
awesome. This is really awesome, actually.
over and over again.
What?
Perhaps it's about racetracks.
It's
or
really awesome
programming
because you can do lots of
instructions,
things with
or
loop.
loop the loops.
Yeah, indeed.
To explain how your game fits the theme
Loop.
when you submit it. and you won't be
Loop.
disqualified if the game doesn't adequately fit the theme. Right, so Jam submissions are now open and will close in 96 hours. Which means you can upload your game
Oh,
whenever
96
you
hours,
want,
awesome.
and then you can keep up.
Yeah, 96 hours, that's quite a lot of time. So, what are we gonna actually do? Like, you have some ideas?
What do they mean by loop? Because I just saw like loop as in an actual loop, which is not like. Wait, I can't explain that. My mind is way too. Yeah. Anyways, I thought about like playing a loop game, which is like the easiest kind of game. You just have a game that never ends, or maybe like a level which plays the same every time, but something changes, so it's like comes like a loop level. I guess I don't know.
That's actually a good idea, the second one. Hold on, there.
Huh?
That's actually a good idea, the second one. Like, playing the level infinitely in a loop, but every time something changes.
Yeah, I've seen like I used to play a game very similar. It was a mobile game, I guess. I forgot like same. It was actually called this way. I forgot. That was a long time ago. But any other ideas when it comes to loop?
All the
The
ideas
only
that
thing that
comes
comes to
to...
my mind. The only thing
What?
that comes in my mind when it comes to. Can you hear me properly?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Sorry for my internet connection. Let me just. Can I disconnect from the stream? Just so you know, I'm using my mobile data, whatever, and stuff. It's so muted.
Understandable.
Like if you
Understandable.
can hear me on the stream. Oh, that's so embarrassing.
Sometimes it's from internet, sometimes it's from microphone.
Oh,
Like some words I don't understand them. Like to I don't know how to explain this.
it's okay. Anyways, any other ideas on the game jam?
Any other ideas? Let me open here first a Figma to
Write down.
Big Jam.
Let me do the thing real quick.
But the idea of playing the same level, but every time something changes is that's one that I like. Infinite games, I've seen quite a lot of infinite games, like you, for example, some Subway Surfers, every time it's a loop game,
Yeah,
it's an infinite game.
yes, that's what I was thinking about first time.
It's too, not that one. It's too common theme,
Yeah, it's overused. It's
overused,
in
yeah.
every single game possible, which is boring. We don't want that. We don't like the boring.
Yeah, indeed. Invite people to edit, move the draft into projects. Move. Yes, move. Uh, Give me your email quick so I can send you the invite to Figma.
Oh, 1 second. Which one of my emails should I use? That's my question at the moment. I mean,
Any email that you want, I'm not showing this to the...
I know. Don't worry.
Yeah, but if it's a level that is constantly changing, it has to at some point reach the original level. Someone gave you the idea in the chat. Good point, actually.
Let me look in the chat as well. Well, let me get on your stream.
I sent you the invite. So Dracos is saying, yeah, but if it's a level that is constantly changing, it has to, at some point, reach the original level.
Yeah, that's true.
It's a good point, though.
Because it's in a loop.
Yeah. So loop.
Oop.
What do we want to type here?
Infinity. Something that goes over and over and over again.
Yeah.
That is not an infinity symbol.
What?
the symbol you wrote.
Oh, that's not how I do it.
Wait, you gave me an invite to Figma, right?
I sent you. It should come to your email.
I didn't receive the email. Huh?
The email that you sent me.
Oh, yeah. Wait, let me see. Yeah, this is the right one. For some reason, that like. No, I have something else. Oh, can you hear me?
Yeah. No, it's
Okay.
better.
It's better?
Yeah. The quality is better.
I didn't do anything.
Oh.
This is so awkward.
Why?
I have it. I gotta accept it.
Oh, okay.
Accepted it. Okay.
I like the concept of infinity in that one Adventure Time episode with the train.
Oh my god, nerds in the chat. Awesome. Wait, can I draw? Can I edit?
Yeah, you should. Can. Hold on. Yeah, like, you can add it. Maybe you have to log in. You have to log in.
Yeah.
You disappeared here. Uh,
Oh.
Let me bring up my group.
So,
Boom. An infinite labyrinth with loops. That loops. Round and round. That one is going to be fucking extreme.
a labyrinth? Like
What?
a labyrinth?
Yeah, like a labyrinth that loops itself every time. Like it's an infinite labyrinth, and you have like you can like discover some things like some sort of story, but that never finishes.
I don't want to text. Let me do this. Sort of like this. I know this is a room. Low key, high key, I guess. Can I draw on this? Yes, I can. Okay, good. How do I undo?
Control Z, maybe?
I'm on my tablet. I can't actually. In fact. Okay, so what you're saying, what you're referring to, is that you want to have like a labyrinth of some sort, like
Yeah,
and
some
something
labyrinth
else.
thing, and
Yeah,
like it loops, and it every time loops
and
itself.
let's say it could be like something here and something there, something that hides secrets and stuff. I don't know. Lore. We need
Something
lore.
like that. Lore, yeah. Oh, I have to. Okay. Uh, I like the idea where, like, yeah, like the room loops. This one, and every time something changes. But for that, like, we have to like have a story or something for that one. Uh, yeah.
This is one ugly advocate.
We need to have like a story for that one. Example, does the this is the entrance. Oh, hmm. Again. You still here?
Yep.
Okay. About the broom loop, like it should also have a law. Like I like this like every single level that changes every time. But it's the same room. But we have to like we need to have a law. Like every time you do some actions, and for example, it's a nightmare or some stuff, and like you wake up and some stuff is changed inside the room. Like
That was like
oh,
my idea. That's
finish,
how it went
finish.
anyway.
Well, read your mind or something like that.
Hmm.
Oh, whoa. Shit. Yeah. But even though you can actually get the if you guys want the labyrinth and law, you could use the Minotaur's labyrinth myth. Let me check what's that.
Let me see what's going on in this room.
Uh,
No.
might be actually a good idea.
Wait, why didn't my drawing draw itself properly? That's not fair. Wait, can
I don't
I?
know why, but I can see you drawing after you only after you finish it.
Well, the thing is, mine is finished. Well,
Oh,
eh,
you disappeared from the big map.
I'm here. I'm. What?
Like you're not on the page for some reason.
I am here. On the page. That doesn't matter. Anyways,
It does matter because I can't fucking see you drawing. Which sucks.
that's okay.
Let me refresh. Maybe it's on my end.
I don't know, my internet connection is kind of bad.
It
Oh.
happens. It happens.
It's from my part. Skill issues.
But can you see like the fuck I'm drunk? I'm drawing.
Wait, I can't see. Wait a minute. Let me refresh it.
This gibberish that I drew here. Is it visible to you? Oh no, you're here.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, no, it's disappeared.
And oh.
It was a thing where I could like. Oh.
Wait, yeah. Oh, yay!
Yeah.
Okay.
Brainstorming is hard. But
Wait, I
will
thought
you
of
be able
something, but I
to?
totally forgot what I thought of.
It happens. If our game like will be like the room thing that every time changes, for example, like waking up from a nightmare, do you have like a story for that? Like, could you do the story for that?
Yeah, when it comes to story, I can do it. Oh, what's this?
And that shit actually looks nice.
When it comes to loop, I have like another thing in mind, which is just purely like a level. But I think like should be like 2D platformer.
Oh man. All right.
Yeah.
Oh,
We definitely need score. I didn't want to do that. If it should be on loop, we should have a score of some sort for competitivity. So
but also if we make only the story and like no score type thing, like an infinite game loop. The game infinitely loops, you have like no ending.
yeah.
Actually, that's cool.
Wait.
I'm thinking.
But at some point it should end.
At one point it should. We can actually save the state of the game. Like it will be more a bunch of states of the game, and when the player exits the game, it will be saved, and you'll be able to continue. Or to start from the beginning. Like on the main
Wait.
menu. On the main menu, it will be three.
I got a question. Could you say like Geometry Dash is like a loop game? Because you constantly when you die.
Well, when you die, yeah,
it
restarts the level, but it's actually it's not a loop game because the level is always has a start and a finish.
That's not what I mean by that.
But
Because you meant something like not closing the game, like game that works on loop. But if you had to like play Geometry Dash and just you can die forever. You're in a death loop.
So every time when the player dies, something changes into the level. Like to make the forced death type thing.
Wait, when you think of other games that have loops in them,
The basic games that I know are those like that are on portrait mode and oh damn, something like Cyber Surface. That's the only
oh
type of
yeah,
game that I know
Cyber
as a loop.
Surfers and all of those low quality games that those
There,
ad
act-
games.
there actually is a game mode in the game, Tomb of the Mask, if you know the game. It's a mobile game. It has an arcade thing, an arcade level where
Oh yeah.
it infinitely goes levels and levels till you die and restart.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we could use that too. It's like an infinity level, let's say. Somebody's calling. Uh and mm, mm. Wait, hello?
Oh, I'm here.
Yeah, I just got a call, so oh, can't believe that. Wait, I was about to write something and I totally forgot.
Be careful with what you're writing. Oh, yeah. Uh, Hold on, I'll be right back in 2 minutes.
Oh, okay. Yes, so apparently it was supposed to be like this. The level loops. Hmm. Also, when it comes to loops, wouldn't be like maybe just a normal platform game that has loops. Will that count? I guess so.
Alright, I'm back. Game with loops.
Wait.
Yeah.
Like in the Game Jam intro, we had like Sonic,
Yeah.
basically the hedgehog in a loop. Does that count?
Well, if it was shown on the game jam, on the entry,
That counts apparently.
even those racing like Mario Kart is also counted as
Mm-hmm.
the loop. Like you're playing the level over and over again.
Yep.
Or can be also counted as a loop. Quite a stupid idea, but like you have a like you have some cogs and you have to make it so the cogs will loop every time. If and sometimes one of the cog will fall off or will break, and you'll have to change it. If you don't change it, the game will crash. That's quite a stupid idea, though.
Oh,
Just that just came in through my mind.
wait, write it down. You're cooking something.
Hold on. So hold on. Where are you? Okay. So, here's the screen right here, and there's a motor right here, something like that, and you have some cogs, some cog wheels. I don't know how to draw. Well, cogs, multiple of them, and one of them will break. And you'll have to change it, or one of them will fall or breaks, and you'll have to change it. And you'll have to change it. You'll have like a timer to change it, but every time. And if you don't manage to do that in a certain time period, the game will just crash. And you'll have to infinitely keep the game running.
That also counts as a loop. That actually counts as a loop. So.
Yeah, like it's quite a dumb idea, though.
No, it's quite good, but it's kind of boring.
Yeah, indeed. There should be here a gameplay here.
Yeah.
For example, about the loops, there was a game made by Polymars, if you know him.
I guess. I don't know.
He has some games that are based on loops, on procedural generating stuff. Like, for example, the one that I liked a lot is this one, Murphy's Law. Hold on, I'm gonna screenshot it. If you know the game.
Oh yeah.
Something like this, like it have infinitely runs. The only catch is that he has a line that shouldn't be broken. Like joined together, it was the theme when he did the jam, when he participated in the jam.
Oh, it's really cute.
Something like that. The cog ideas, we could use the cogs for like looping stuff, but we have to have a better gameplay, a better story, a lore, how you said.
Yeah, I wish we'll have lore.
Well, my creativity is fucked, so yeah. What should we also? What idea could also be counted as loop?
Flappy Bird.
Yeah, but quite a lot of the games do that also. Some games got the idea, you know, those hyper casual games, mobile games. Those are quite also an idea, like infinitely. But the only infinite thing that comes through my mind is just only like the game that actually exists is Subsurface and Minion Rush. Like it's also a infinite game, but in Minion Rush, like you have to get a score. Temple Run. Oh, also Temple Run. Yeah, forgot about this one.
There was one with minions, too. There are actually a lot of mobile games based on the same thing. We also like got
Yeah.
those card games that you play.
Yeah, quite a lot of car games too.
Yeah. The one we wait. But Tetris does not count as loop. Or
Yeah,
does
it
it count as
does.
loop
It
until you
does
die?
count as loop because the game continues till you die.
Yeah.
Because there are people who like keep playing the original version of Tetris on NES and like broke the
Record.
integer
That's something like
overflow.
the snake, but technically the snake goes in loop, so that counts in a way.
Yeah.
But it also ends.
Infinite Minesweeper, like it doesn't end till you die. And then I'll be able to write it down.
I guess. But these are just classic games.
Yeah. Like we
Loop is.
can take a mechanic from one of these games.
Yep. Wait, can we get back to this?
The idea
Your
with
idea.
cogs.
Yes.
Yeah, but it has to
How
be.
the
It has to. It should have like a goal or something like that.
exactly. What's the goal? To not make the game crash. Wow, awesome.
Well, it also is a goal, but you can like you have a limited amount of cogs or switches or I don't know something that makes it faster or slower, like changes the ratio, and we have like a start, a finish, and you with those amount of cogs you have to place them so it will run. So it will. So let me mark it. This is finish and this is start. And every time when you complete the cogs, another level will automatically spawn. Like to have a the level will be procedurally generated.
Mm-hmm.
We will not have a certain amount of levels, like pre-made levels, but it will be in infinite levels. The levels just loop, but the only thing that changes is the position of start, the position of finish, and the amount of cogs.
That's quite interesting. The like start finishing.
Yeah, and the game it will be like we can make like the game to be all 2D top down or 3D, but sort of using an orthographic view.
Mm-hmm.
It also could be an idea like, but 3D orthographic, I don't know how to put that. Like the models will look like 3D, but design here. Hold on. The face that you're drawing right now are those type of Chinese memes faces for some reason. Like it's like those black and white faces memes that I've seen on TikTok. So there is a couple on TikTok of Chinese guys, and like they're playing some challenge games. For example, a cup and a bell, small bell. And the person who gets who hits the bell gets fucking slapped on the face, so I don't know, with a bat in the head. Yeah, like for real, I tell you, this looks like a fucking those type of memes.
Can you change that?
I tell you. I'm gonna use that as a sticker on Telegram or Discord. This one is the fucking best.
Okay, any other ideas? Oh, there are also like those money making games.
There is a game, make it right. I've seen about money making games. I'm thinking about like the game Make It Rain. Make It Rain, where you like swipe up every time to get money, and you get some upgrades, and those upgrades increase the money amount how you, yeah, the amount you're getting every time when you swipe. For example, you start with $1, for example. Press the button. Or about to press the button also got an idea. Well, you have to find the right buttons to advance on to the next level, and also the levels will be procedurally generated like you every time a new buttons will be generated, and you have to find the right one. Something like a code.
Oh, that's a really good idea. That's a really good idea.
Like
So, like,
every button like will have a number, and you'll have to, I don't know, to somehow get the code, and by getting decrypting the code, you press those right buttons, and you proceed to another level, and then another crypted message comes up, but with a hint how to decrypt it.
But to make it an infinity one. There are also like infinity logic games. The one, for example, like painting, where it has like infinite levels.
Yeah, but infinite levels, in my opinion, I'm thinking about like the levels are being procedurally generated every time. We'll not make the levels like we as developers. We're not going to make these levels, but they will be generated by the engine.
Oh yeah, that's the point. Kind of. So we have like buttons. I guess lots of buttons. And you just have to press the right one, I guess, to change to the next level. How about we trying to make like a logic game? Oh, there is something that looks.
Okay. We have to find like like an algorithm or something.
We got a lot of ideas.
Lots of ideas, but we have to find the best one and come with and settle it up. We might also have some, like, the ideas might change eventually during the development, like some new ideas will come up for the gameplay, but we'll have to settle, settle the mechanic. What can we actually do more? What ideas? The button idea is quite interesting too.
Let's ask ChatGPT.
How the fuck there are not even an hour? 42 minutes since the jam started, and there are already 12 entries in the jam.
Because it's loop. It's a loop. It's just that easy. Like people make press the button and
Yeah, press the button continuously, and the game actually does nothing. I'm actually fucking interested. Let me just open this up in another tab and watch it. Yeah, like they just created a page or something like that. I have no idea.
This is so funny. Loop walker concept. You control a character who can loop through time. Each loop creates a copy of yourself performing your past actions. You must coordinate the past versions to solve puzzles. Opening doors, pressing buttons. Twist, break the loop, and the world starts to glitch. Ooh, this is interesting.
The second idea, that one, the word glitches, it's quite interesting. Or actually, about the word glitching, like it should have a story. Hold on, be right back in a minute.
Okay.
Hold on. The idea, that one idea, you have a story every time that something, like the first idea with the room that with a level that changes every time with that one, like you wake with, it's similar with the idea where like you wake up from a nightmare and something changes in the room, but this one is like with the world is glitching and something like that.
Yeah,
And
ChatGPT gave me like the exact same one. We got like the mind loop, psychological narrative game. A detective keeps reliving the same day trying to solve a murder, but the clues change slightly each time. Dialogue, situations, and
a
steps.
psychological horror game.
Actually,
That
that's really fun. That's really fun.
you've played a lot of psychological games. I
Yes, I
haven't.
have indeed.
I haven't.
Well, technically speaking, all the 2D platformers I've played are all mostly psychological. We got like Yuminiki. Wait, let me write it down. We have Yuminiki. It's a Japanese game. It's sort of like a psychological horror game. The point is like she wakes up, like she's in her room. She wakes up, like It's about a girl who wakes up and then she has to go like no, it's like no. She's in a dream. Like she goes to sleep. She goes in her dream. She gets out, and the place she goes, it's a place full of doors, and like every single door is a different kind of level in which you gotta solve quests by yourself. And you get superpowers and stuff like that, and it all goes in a
Every,
loop.
but every
Like
time when
every single
continue.
door is a loop. Like
I
it
was
never
thinking,
ends. None of the
I,
levels actually end.
I was thinking like you complete the level and you basically wake up from another dream instead of a dream, and so on.
That's the loop.
But that's something changed.
That's the thing with the human key as well. It's like the exact same concept. Like the more you pursue in those levels, the more something changes every single time. I've
Hmm.
never finished it because I never got how to finish it. Or
It's
if
a
I
loop.
had to watch like yeah, it's like literally it's a loop in a way. Though I guess it does have endings.
The games with the genre psychological horror is the psychological horror comes from the story, right? Comes from
Psychological
the
horror.
comes
It's not
from the
necessarily
story or the law.
it could be lore, but it also could be like a concept that drives you insane, which is loop. Loop is straight up a concept that drives you insane. Something you cannot get out of. And if you get out of the loop, if you break it, and you break the loop, the game either glitches or it crashes.
That would be a great Easter egg, like to glitch the game or crash it
Like
if you
in
break
the
somehow from the loop.
Literature Club. I thought of like wait. Like an item for one, you're gonna wake up in another one with the said item and slowly continue waking up while solving puzzles. Yes. That's technically it, in a way. Could be
Uh,
about a coma too. A kind of is like that.
Darkos types in chat could be a coma too, not actually a dream, like not actually waking from a sleep, waking up from sleep,
Oh,
from a nap or
actually,
something.
yes. If it
Like,
comes like psychological, that's
your internet is going out.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Good.
This one is no, because this one is quite good. But this idea about the com is quite good.
It was like I wrote the word there. And then,
Oh, I
yeah.
haven't. I did not saw that. Like it was blank. And the words just appeared.
Watching the stream.
The fucking dark magic that you've done.
Oh no, people are leaving. You're leaving the stream. Oh no, this is boring. Is it really boring? Let me draw cats. Let me distract you. Let me.
Draw cats will bring up more attention, in my opinion.
Ugly ass.
Not ugly. This one looks like fucking Discord logo for some reason.
Which one? Oh,
The second one, yeah, kinda looks like it. But it looks fine. It looks nice. It could be like the main character is a cat, or surrounded
Yes.
by infinite cats, for example.
Yes. we have like those games with cats fusion. You know,
Cats.
a type of cat within the same type of cat evolves to another cat. Very evolved cat. Yeah,
Well,
those games are
the only cat games that I've played is Cats are Liquid and 100 cats in different locations. There is a Steam game that has 100 cats hidden inside
amazing.
an image. I'd imagine like a detective trying to get on a murder's track without realizing he is the murder, but a different version. And the more and more he figures out his action, reality starts to break around him, and he wakes up from a coma, seeing certain items from the game or a character, or characters around his room, as dolls, toys, souvenirs, actual people. Darko,
Oh,
I have a question. Who the fuck are you? Maybe you should come now, team 2, bro. You're coming with good ideas here.
yeah, you'll never find out. Ah, no. She does actually have really good ideas.
Yeah, indeed. Listen,
Technically, I've been thinking about that as well, so it's my idea.
neuron thinking.
Yes. They stole my idea.
No, you both were thinking on the same idea.
Telepathy. Hmm. We need lore. I still want
Yeah.
the lore idea. Lore. We should wait, story based? Story based. Based. Like this.
You have to think of on a story.
Well, kinda. Anyways,
Sandbox game
it shall be
considered a loop.
2D.
A
Please let it be
sandbox.
2D.
Actually, is a sandbox game considered a loop game? Actually, a good idea.
Oh, that is a great question. That is that is a great question. It does have something on a loop, but if it has like an infinity world, yes, it is considered a loop, I guess. Or not. Or maybe. Though, is it complicated to make a sandbox game?
I don't think so.
Like, what would be the code for it?
Well, I have a lot of time like for coding. Yeah, not necessarily. A sandbox game and a loop game are different concepts. Though they can overlap in some cases.
Mm-hmm.
That's what.
Well, yeah, sandbox games are. I don't think they will be considered as loops.
Some of the games can be like a sandbox and loop based. For example, Minecraft. Like this is what actually ChatGPT
Yes.
gave me. Minecraft can be a sandbox and loop game. Garry's Mod is a sandbox but not a loop game. Hades is a sandbox. It's not a sandbox but it's a loop game. The Sims, kind of on the loop based. It's kind of. And Stardew Valley.
Oh,
Depends on the depends highly here on the idea of the game, like the what we want
yeah.
actually to do.
It does have a loop concept, so that's a thing.
Yeah. Indeed. Yeah. Yet not every game is considered. Not every sandbox game is considered a loop game.
Yep. No, that's pretty
Depends.
much it.
Yeah.
The loop is a very generalized concept. We can find
Yeah.
loops everywhere.
Like there are a fuck ton of games that are based on loop. For example, Barge vs Polymath Pack 1, the game that Polymath and Barge did and competing. Morpheus Law, it's also a loop, like you have to walk and not die. The Only Outlaw, you have to hunt down a certain character here, which is also a loop. You have like a time. The Pizza Plane, the Kursan Kedanian, Frappuccino, Tiny Golf. Oh no, Tiny Golf is not a loop game. My bad. Terrified. Sea Sweeper also is kind of. It could also be a Souls-like game like Kenshi. Let me check what is Kenshi. Because the only game that I've been playing is fucking Counter-Strike, and with 792 hours, and I'm still fucking shit at this game. It's a real-time strategy action roleplay game developed by Lo-Fi Games. The game focuses on sandbox gameplay features that give the player freedom to do what they want. This what instead of focusing on a linear story. No, this one, okay. Frogs. Oh, that's a blanket. Just realized that looks so fucking cute. And this character looks like Pooh from, you know, the game.
Yeah.
About a loop game that never finishes is like those type of like my talking Tom Pooh, like you just continue to fucking feed him and stuff like that, just continue to take care of him.
Well, they don't die, but still. Tamagotchi.
My
Our Tamagotchi is considered loops. Because they die.
Tamagotchi, you mean about the game or a handheld digital pet? There is actually, I think, a Tamagotchi is a brand of handheld digital pets marketed since 1996 by Japanese toy maker Bandai, a division of Bandai Namco Holdings. The game is Sifu, yeah? Let me check. Sifu is a 2022 beat-em-up game developed and published in China. Set in China, players control the child of a martial arts called Sifu, who seeks revenge on those responsible for their father's death. Let me check it on Wikipedia, actually. Every time the protagonist dies, they are resurrected by magical talisman and age up, gaining access to more powerful attacks by reducing their health. Actually, that could be also a good idea. Every time when you die, you unlock a skill that requires or costs another skill. So I guess I'm going to stream till 9:30, maximum 10 p.m. because have to get ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow I have my admission exams.
Yay!
Not yay, because I'm fucking cooked.
I was supposed to have them, but I don't have any more. because I'm lucky.
Quick question:
I
what
wasted
if I
my
don't have,
money.
like, I have three specialities done, they're set, and how the fuck, if I don't pass the exam for software engineering, will I automatically pass to the next one, like IT or game design?
Well, it's always based on your marks, your
Yeah,
grades.
and I know about that one. Because
So
Monday they called me from
it's
the
not
uni.
like you can pass like all of them. You can pass all of them. So in case like if you pass all of them, you choose whichever you want to go. In case you don't pass the exam, that doesn't mean that you will not be admitted to uh,
To the university.
specialty. Yeah, it's like very much based on the
On the
well,
marks that I get from the final exams and those 3 years of studying in high school.
oh, yeah, because there's like
I
competitiveness between the marks of other students as
uh,
well. So
uh,
it's also
yeah,
based.
about that I know. I've seen the method, the formula for calculating the
Yes, me too.
average.
It goes like I think like
If you don't have if you don't have the to have any exams for specialty, it's like 50% of the average grade on your
general.
final
Yeah,
exams and 50% of the average on all of those 3 years.
yeah, subjects. So it
A
feels
game
like
about uni admissions or applying for jobs. It never ends.
genius.
That's actually fucking genius, bro.
Oh wait, and the other one was like this. With the wait, which one counted the most? I guess it was
Um,
like MJ.
I know that the marks from the exams, from the admission exams, count. Well, they will take just 10% from that mark. Yeah,
Oh, this is like
and one of them was 40%. Yeah,
oh yeah.
but
This
this
one's from.
one
Are you sure this one was from exams? Let
from
me
the
check.
from the admission exams. Yeah, I've checked it today.
Let me
Let me
check
see
it
if
again. Oh, have your documents been validated?
what.
Like my they sent me an email that my documents are valid.
They didn't send me anything yet. Maybe I haven't checked it. I'll check it after stream though. Right now, I gave my
They
phone to
said
my
that they'll
brother.
check. They'll send me the results soon. So
To my
that's
cousin,
kind of
it's sent to my cousin too, though. The same type of email. I did not got any
interesting.
email.
I'm sleepy.
A game about uni admission or applying for jobs. Job applications memes.
Oh no! Oh
Oh no.
no! Oh no!
That just scares me. No.
Okay, let me tell you exactly how it is. So, it's 1%. Wait, not 1%, 10% from the. Oh, it's like 40% from the exams, the entrance exam, and 1% for like uh the school exam, the stuff,
Oh,
the high school exams.
yeah, understood.
So yeah, technically in this case, the exam is more important, the entrance exam, than the others.
It actually depends on the specialty too, because yeah, some specialties don't require an entry exam. For example, software development and some art from the
Yes,
art
yes.
faculty requires an
Architecture,
admission.
it's usually the ones that have the most students. Yeah, like for example, like architecture is overflowed with the students. Like there's a lot of people who go to architecture, so that's why it requires entrance exams. Whilst animation and like game design, they're like new specialties, I guess, and like they don't have as much students coming.
Understood.
Yeah, it's quite interesting. I also applied to biomedical engineering, just in case.
I applied to
Hello.
I applied to IT, software engineering, and game design.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Game
we'll
design is
see.
fun,
I
but the
don't have any.
stuff like sorry.
But we'll see in which faculty I'll be, or in which specialty I'll be admitted. Because I'd have no hopes from passing the exam at math, because I'm fucking stupid at math. That's a fact.
Have you solved anything?
Like from the model, I did try some, but a lot of stuff I've forgotten. Well, anyways, let's continue with the game jam, the exams. Yeah, later with the exams. Oh hell no! But the idea a game about
is it
uni
bad that
admission.
I miss math? I miss math.
It's way scarier than job application.
Well, I have a job, so yeah. Calculation, so I will
Well,
go back to having a
I'm
job.
working with my father, but this week I got free because my father got sick, which is not good.
No, no,
Cause
no
I got
money, no income.
cause I got also sick. Look.
I told you that's for issues.
Yeah. Hold on, I'm going to get some water. Be right back.
Uh, enjoy drinking water, I guess. Eh.
The good thing that I like about streaming on Kick is that I have channel points ready. So, like, I can make the stream more interactive.
Oh, that's nice. What do you do with channel points? Hydrate. Oh, posture.
Yeah. Thank you. You just wasted 100 channel points.
Yes.
Just for interactivity. I could have done more, but I have no knowledge. I have to like to get a.
What's the VIP one? What's your inspiration for such a number?
I don't know. Just funny number.
Oh no. 69 for 20. Very funny.
I don't
Also,
think I don't think that someone will get this amount of channel points in those 5 days that will be streaming.
I had the 100 channel points per how much time here? I have no idea.
I have also known I don't have hold on. Channel
Just
points
an
are
hour,
tied to each individual channel. By watching stream on that channel, any points earned in relation to a particular channel must be redeemed within the same channel. Points accumulated on one channel cannot be redeemed. Okay. There's no ways to earn. Okay, so Kick is going to add additional ways to earn points as they continue developing this. So basically, you just get from watching the stream.
Interesting. I got like 100 points from 1 hour of watching the stream.
Guess I'll have to lower the. Hold on. I'll have to lower the requirements for some.
I want to get to 69,000 hours.
Well, that one was with VIP. I'll leave it as it is, but you already have VIP. I just gave you.
Wait, what was the other formula? Wait, was this like this? I forgot. Was it something like this?
No math, bro. No.
I forgot, but I need to remember how to.
You won't have math at your university.
I don't know about that because I may have it, I may not have math. It's a gamble at this point.
I'd rather gamble in fucking Counter-Strike cases rather than gambling in university.
Oh, can the gambling be considered a game loop?
Ew, that's actually fucking. That's actually
Okay,
fucking a good idea.
yeah.
Like gambling loop, continue gambling game. Yeah, dark.
I'm a genius. I'm a genius.
That's fucking true, bro. That's actually a fucking
Okay.
damn.
What do we gamble?
Cats.
I want a cat now.
I still have 3 cats at home, like small cats. Oh yeah, man. AI mode. Do you see the message? Oh yes, man. Not the math, bro. I understood. AI mod broke the fucking party. That was the funniest thing.
Yeah, that's a stream highlight.
Yeah. How do you clip in? How do you clip here? I have no idea. You can't actually, I guess. Yeah, you can't clip. Fuck. Oh? Oh, you can.
You
You can, you can.
should. You should be able to clip certain things.
Put the hit on red.
Wait.
Put the gambling on red or why do I hear my damn? Got scared for a second. I must save this screenshot. Hold on. Gambling. Yeah, in-game gambling it will not involve any real money, unfortunately.
Okay, but question, what do we gamble on?
Cats.
How?
Oh, good idea. Yeah, good question, actually. How do you gamble on cats? We have like a cat coin and we try to get a higher quality cat, and we can, and those low quality cats we can sell them, so we can get a certain amount of cat coins. But I don't know what to say about gambling though. I more want to have like a story based with a law game. For example, that one with cats. And Yuminiki that does promote all these ideas. I like the gambling too, but more is that one with the idea from Yuminiki. And we can like use cats for that. What do you think?
Is it showing anything? Oh,
What?
yeah.
Your internet goes out. Hold on, your internet goes out again.
Oh no. Can you see anything?
Yeah, right now better. Why this one looks like a Teletubby?
Wait, well, how do they look like? They look like this. Wait, we should. There, we gamble
I don't
on this one.
know. That cat looks like actually like a Teletubby. If you know the cartoon. Man, I love gambling and nothing will break this relationship. Even me ending up on the street. Bro. Gambling with your life. Like doing some stupid ass actions randomly. About? Ah, yes, unemployment. um, oh, fuck. Hold on, I have an idea just came through my mind. Idea just came through my mind. Like you're in a life and you're like, and every action is based on every goddamn action is based on those type of fortune cubes or something that one means unlucky and 20 means lucky. Such a refreshment. And like the game continues on every time, but the only catch is that you have to every time when you do an action you have to like roll the dice. We have Crisis here who is the fucking brain at math.
What?
We have Crisis here on the chat. He's fucking good at math.
Oh yeah. I know.
Bro, that motherfucker is... I don't actually fucking know how he does that, but he does it.
People study sometimes.
And that's the catch, he doesn't. I didn't ask for promotion, bro. Be thankful. Uh,
Anyways,
Tell me
anyways,
some of that math too. Okay. What? What'd you say?
any other ideas, or are we stuck with the gambling one?
The gambling one is quite fun. I don't know. It would be more like a troll game if we could do gambling. But what I've had in mind, like I said, you have a life. Like for example, this box is alive, is your life, and every action that you do, for example, you want to walk, you have to roll the fucking dice. And if, for example, you are walking, and you roll the dice. If you get one, you trip and you fall. If you get 20, you get like faster. And that's every time. For example, you're closing the door. One, you'll get your finger catched in the door frame. 20, I don't know, the door closes by itself. Something like that, but it's going to be like a story based or something like that,
Okay, interesting.
and that's the only loop. It's that every action you'll have to roll the dice for that.
Yeah, we need to keep this one. I like this one.
This one is better.
I like gambling.
Well, that's some sort of gambling, though. Like rolling the dice is also considered as gambling, right?
Well, yeah, it is, logically speaking.
GMTK 25 could be a version control. And we're gonna do it 2D, right?
Yeah, it's easier.
Okay. I'm going to create the project right now. System to set up some stuff. But we have to think on what type of on what well, yeah, we need a story and like how to proceed through this story.
Yep.
We have to think like what will happen between those two numbers. For example, you'll get 2, you'll something like that. We'll have to think about this idea more. But overall, like kind of like the idea too.
The silence is loud.
I'm screenshotting some stuff here.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, well, what can I say? I guess we'll settle down to.
We need a
What
lot
do-
of lore. Wait. What did I do? Wait. Yeah. Anyways, let me just.
Well, Well, the lore of the game that you have to proceed through the day without like dying or some stuff like that. Oh, okay. Lore. As I said, like I have to study more about lore, like how it comes up, how it manifests, stuff like that.
Yeah.
So I think this will settle down with this idea, like life, the dice of life. The name of the game, the dice of life, or something like that. Life. Does it? Is this so? Actually exists? I'm searching life and I got Latin American investment facility. Okay.
Local agency investment fund. Yeah.
Well, what do you think? We're gonna work on this idea.
Yep.
Okay, and then I'll get to work with generating some stuff.
How is it gonna be a loop?
How is gonna be a loop? Like you have to every time to proceed through it. I think. Fuck. Shoot your shot on with a bro. Rolls a 20. Good one. And when you get to one, what happens? Like you sure or something like that? You explode. That's actually a good idea. That's actually fun. A moment on the story. Yeah. Well, I guess that's it. We'll think about the law, the story. I'll think more after the exam. The idea is quite nice, but but politely. Yeah. Bro, but what will happen when you like you wake up but you have to roll the dice to wake up? 20 you wake up at 1 what? You fall in a coma or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lol. Anyways, I think I'll end up the stream here. I will dive myself on Discord for a couple of minutes. 1 minute maximum. Yeah. You piss your bed or something. That's one. I fucking like it. Okay, be right back. So, everything. So everything is. That's the live stream for today. It was diabolical for real. That's the live stream for today. Thank you so much for the follows. Thank you so much for being active on my chat. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time, but this time with some coding and stuff. Thank you, Dark Oath, for being creative in our chat, and yeah, thank you to everyone. You're awesome. See you tomorrow, I guess.